Hey everyone, I'm so excited to introduce you to the newly launched Oliva Skin Hair and Body Clinic in Greater Kailash 2. This is amazing! Led by the best dermatologist, Oliva has the most advanced, medically proven skin, hair and body treatments. They offer personalized solutions as per your needs. Look at the detailed consultation I'm getting for my skin. Here's why you must choose Oliva. Innovative dermatological solutions, highly skilled team of over 110 dermatology specialists, customized care for your individual skin and hair needs. I'm already loving the pampering backed by science. The latest technology and a relaxing environment make it a perfect experience. So if you're looking to treat yourself and enhance your natural beauty, come visit Oliva Skin Hair and Body Clinic in Greater Kailash, New Delhi. Use code Oliva Anjali to get an exclusive Oliva skincare kit at GK Clinic. Visit M Block Market, Greater Kailash 2 or www.olivaclinic.com to book your appointment today.